Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the watch has enough power. A weak battery causes incorrect displays. Once done, press and hold mode for 3 seconds to enter time-setting mode. Make sure to use a fingernail or tiny tool to avoid damaging the case. You should see hours blink. This is the first actionable step. Hold steady and prepare to change values with SET. Don't skip this. Entering the correct mode is what lets you change hours, minutes, and AM/PM or 24-hour format. Now you adjust the core values. Press SET repeatedly to increase the hour. If you need faster changes, press and hold SET to jump quick increments. Once the hour is correct, press mode briefly to move to minutes, then repeat SET presses to reach the exact minute. Make sure to check AM/PM indicator or toggle 24-hour format by holding mode on some models, because that changes how hours display. Pay attention to leading zeros and whether seconds reset when you confirm. To finish, press mode until the blinking stops and the watch exits setting mode. The displayed time is now active. Once done, wear the watch or place it upright and verify accuracy for a minute to ensure seconds sync. If the LEDs appear dim or flicker, make sure contacts are clean and battery is seated correctly. If the watch is unresponsive, remove the battery for 10 seconds, reinsert it, and repeat the steps. This reset often clears stuck modes and restores normal setting behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.